In every walk with nature, one receives far more than he seeks. It's what I feel. Hello everyone, it's me Ketan Mangla here, and today we visit one of the unexplored places in Rangpo. Amidst the lap of hills with the melody of the flowing river, the walkway built beside the Rangpo River just adds the cherry to the cake. But due to constructions going all around it, the place has not been known even by many of the locals. After a tiring day under the scorching heat of Rangpo, evenings can be well spent in that area with cool breeze blowing and the beauty of nature overflowing. With Rangpo devoid of any parks or areas to spend the evenings, this walkway just serves the purpose. Bring your friends on here or spend the evening with your better half. Come with the family or just take a stroll alone. This place has something to offer for everyone. Kids enjoy to their fullest with the fun catching fish, some enjoying swimming, while some playing and taking walks on the walkway. The government has taken a great step to construct this pathway, which is slowly getting to serve its purpose as more and more people come to know of it. Government has also built a ghat for Chhath Puja here, which comes in use during the Chhath celebrations by the communities. Oh, this place is filled with people from almost every community that day. On our way, we also met and talked to the people about the place. We also have some visitors in this place, and we'd like to ask them some questions. Hello sir, आपका नाम क्या है?
जयराम महतो.
After a tiring day, I usually come to this place with my family. It is a beautiful place and my mind relaxes here. It was not as safe to come here earlier, but after this walkway has been made, it is safe and my family and my child can also enjoy. We also ran into a little kid who was busy fishing but took some time out of his busy schedule for us.
Generally I catch more, but today I have less. It's really fun catching fish here.
So finally, this place built by the government is starting to serve its purpose as people are slowly knowing about it and coming to this place. Though constructions have been all around here, but slowly people are knowing about this place and enjoying the beauty and the peace which this place offers. The Rangpo has been an industrial area, and even it has been graced by the students of SMIT, the Himalayan Pharmacy Institute, and they too enjoy this place quite much. This is Ketan Mangla from Rangpo. If you are watching this video on Facebook, hit like to our page, or if you are watching this on YouTube, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications.
द टाइम्स अफ सिक्किमको भिडियो हेर्नको लागि सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुहोस् र नोटिफिकेसन पाउनको लागि बेल आइकन दबाउनुहोस्।